Listen up, whippersnappers. With age comes wisdom, and that is not an LOL. Today I stumbled upon a real game changer. Did you know you can order a home repair from your gosh darn phone? This mobile app called Handyworks only deals with construction repairs. You know, the kind of repair that's in between a headache and a remodel. You know what I'm saying? Like a minor issue around the house that doesn't require tapping into my retirement account. And that's all they do. They just fix things all day long. Boy, you millennials, if you were smart, you'd get on this train while it's moving. This gadget makes it easy for an old dog like myself to hire one of you young pups to help out around here. If you could get your heads out of the vape clouds, you might be able to find a little success. Hell, you might even learn responsibility and what it's all about while you're at it. Check the link in the description to get started. Yeah. So collect your damn tools and get a damn tool belt. Oh, and be sure to get yourself some general liability insurance too. See ya at Thanksgiving. Yee!